Hi, today I'm going to discuss who attends home inspection. Stay tuned because at the end of the video, I'll share a list of tips and tricks when dealing with home inspections, so you won't want to miss it. I'm Kristin Stampini with Remax Services, and welcome to StampTV. So let's get started. Home inspection is an invaluable tool when buying a home. Few buyers have the technical expertise thoroughly to review each major component of a home, and experience some home inspectors follow a rigorous step-by-step inspection to ensure they check everything that's major. Many variable effects who attend a home inspection. In most cases, however, buyers hire the home inspection as their private consultant, which means the buyer should have the last word who should attend their home inspection. So real estate agents usually coordinate who attends the home inspection, but circumstances often override their preferences. In some cases, buyers are unable to attend because they live out of the area or are not available. Maybe they have to work. In those instances, home inspectors may be accompanied by the buyer's agent or representative on the buyer's side. And the buyer's agent might not come later until the home inspection so that the home inspector can do what they need to do. Usually the seller's agent is not maybe there during the home inspection. Sometimes they are. It really depends on the situation. The agent stays out of the picture, out of the way during the inspection. The buyer's agent will, sometimes, like I said, accompany a buyer to inspection most of the time. Sometimes they don't, really depends. There are situations that arise in which the buyer's agent will send an assistant to answer questions or also get the inspector on the phone and do a three-way call. In most cases, buyers will attend all or part of a home inspection. This may occur with or without his or her agent, or it may also include contractors and possibly some relatives and maybe friends. But remember, you want to stay out of the way of the home inspector. Whether sellers should attend the inspection is more complicated. Buyers cannot forbid the sellers from remaining during the inspection. Some sellers willingly leave for a few hours. Some remain without involving themselves in the inspection, and still others become actively involved, engaging the buyers in lengthy conversations or shadowing the home inspector on every step, which is not recommended. It's always best to have the sellers leave for the duration of the inspection, as I've run into situations in the past where my clients became very upset because of the seller remained in the home during the inspection. I personally do not like to see sellers present during the home inspections. The worst of all arrangement is when the buyer's agent advises their buyers not to attend the home inspection and appoint themselves as the person to attend. Agents who suggest such arrangements are not acting, I feel sometimes, in the best interest of their clients. I myself will not conduct an inspection solely with the buyer's agent unless authorized by the buyer. As a buyer, keep in mind that you have hired the home inspector to be your advocate. So the home inspection is paid for by you and presented for your benefit. There are home inspectors who have reputation for thoroughness, and most of them refuse to let anyone else set the rules on their home inspections. So buyers should attend their home inspection if they can when it comes time for the home inspection. Then the home buyer should tag along while the inspector is doing his job. No, this is a huge investment, and the buyer has to be quiet while they're doing the home inspection. And then at the end, they ask a lot of questions. Buyers should participate in their home inspection, which I've seldom done, but certainly agree with. After owning a handyman business for several years, we use handymen.